Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, in this video I will explain how to get Gemini on Google Home. To begin, open the Google Home application on your phone or tablet. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Home App Settings. You will then see an option for Public Preview. Select this and follow the simple on-screen instructions to enroll. This is the crucial first step to unlock Gemini's advanced features for your smart home devices. Once you have enrolled in the public preview, the next step is to set Gemini as your primary assistant. Go to your device's main settings, then locate and tap on Google Assistant. Within these settings, you will find an option called Digital Assistants from Google. Tap this, and then simply choose Gemini from the list. Follow any additional prompts to confirm this change, making Gemini your default for voice commands. For the best experience, ensure voice match is enabled within your Google Assistant settings. This allows Gemini to recognize your voice for personalized interactions. Additionally, open the Gemini mobile application itself. Tap your profile avatar, then select Extensions. Here, you will find the Google Home extension. Toggle this on to grant Gemini comprehensive control over your smart home devices, enhancing its capabilities significantly. Now you are ready to experience Gemini for home. You can use natural language commands to control your smart home devices, like saying, "Turn on all the lights except the one in the kitchen." Gemini also allows you to ask complex questions and create advanced automations simply with your voice. Enjoy more conversational and intuitive interactions with your smart speakers and displays, making your home truly intelligent and responsive to your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.